Hey folks, I'm about to open a 2020 Topps Baseball Update series. Hope to get a coin. There should be one inside this pack. There's 7 packs. I hope we get a 2020 Topps player coin card. Let's see what kind of shiny things in here. The first time opening this. There's 7 packs total. So you do collect baseball cards. Let me know about what your favorite card you got. What kind of cards you. I enjoy it. Kind of back doing this because I got injured, so I get a hobby to keep my sanity going. So it's factory sealed. I should say the box could be worth money in the future. Who knows? I've seen that. Somebody's selling like a 1987 Topps empty box. So as you open it, comes with this is what it looks like. Back. That's what it looks like in the back. After that, got a little giveaway. It also comes with a bonus extra 2020 Topps player card inside. I'll take that card later on. Sorry for the light. I apologize. So this factory sealed. 14 cards per pack. With a 7 total. I'm just gonna go through the cards, which ones are cool. Find some rookies. Kind of nice. Yeah, look at the card cool. Tom Seaver card. He died this year, 2020. A little history about him right there. Chris. Oh, I remember Chris Owens is related to Spike Owens and their brother. They're from Claiborne, Texas. Those guys. Make sure to look it up. I don't see. Look at a rookie Phillips Vart. No, not a rookie card. I find a rookie card. So yeah, these are no rookies. I don't know none of these players. This time of year, I really don't know the players that well. Stan Holtz, that good career looks like. Put in get pile. Okay, one down, 6 to go. So what kind of cards? Let me know. Tell me about you. Tell me some dark secrets about you. What kind of teams? What kind of stadiums you've been to? I've been to so far I've been to only stadiums in California. I've been to Dodger Stadium in Anaheim. Of course, I live in the Bay Area. I've been to Coliseum and Free Com and Cowstick and the new one. What do you call it now? Pac-Bill or Oracle or Fighter. I got this card. It's like a home run derby card. All-Star Home. Try to find some players. I really know the players this time of year. Oh, this guy's a great player. We used to be with the militaries. I got All-Star. Grace, I married him. He's not a Hall of Famer. But that's kind of cool. I married him. He was a decent player. He was a Chicago. Ooh, went to Francisco, #1 pick. I think it's a remake of the '89 Tops. They had that kind of style. First pick. They could have the backside of it. Oh, I forgot to tell you. What these cards look like the front and the back. Got some other cards of their stories. Zach Green. I really know he played the Giants. Don't know much about him. Third baseman. Like really like these kind of cards. Action packs. Ooh, Brandon Griffey story All Star, 1992. One of the beautiful swings ever in baseball. Hall of Famer. This guy's right here. This guy's crazy. I like him. He's one of their players. With the Giants. This guy's cool. Has like different eye colors. Okay, let's go through that pack. Let's see. I'm going to wait for when I put the scissors and use my teeth. So when we cut these things, be careful. Try to find good. I've been out of touch with baseball. What was the remake of the A4 Tops Bryce Harper remake? That's kind of cool. There was a big old fight he had with the Giants. Didn't like he hit. How much this guy? He's kind of, I guess, a little timer. Old flashback. I don't know about his career. But I like these cards a lot. Action pack. But sometimes Bryce Harper, All-Star. Upside down. One side is upside down. Maybe the error. This guy is kind of interesting character. He's a relief pitcher for the Dodgers. He got paranoid one time. He thought that their team was on second base doing signs. He said, I'm going to block this guy and make him go on second. So he did. I'm going to block him. So he did. You find good stories about that guy on YouTube. The reason I like it on YouTube, you find interesting stories. Or videos of players doing original stuff or oddities. Yeah, I got careful. Try to find a rookie card or he's got a good long career. Here in his career. I don't find any. Some packers do better than others, you know. God. Even the players play like Seattle Giants, I really don't know that much about them. That's in last year because they brought a lot of players. They didn't want to play the COVID thing. Active leader. I guess it shows the players, team, active leader. Not sure what this card is about in the back side of it. It's kind of cool. Baseball athletic production. Printed baseball player Corey Kluber. 3 years, ever being taken by the Padres. I don't know about his career. That's kind of cool to have. What's it like about these cards so far? There's no like checklist. That's the most annoying thing ever. And you got the players jumping for joy. Washington Nationals. They used to be the Expos. They got kind of screwed by the 84-93 strike. They could have went to the World Series that year. Their team was awesome to watch. Depends on the team. How many players? If the team's been great, they're fun to watch. If they're really terrible, they're fun to watch too. I'm still trying to look for the. So far, I haven't seen players on this. You guys like, of course, Mark Wire. I think he should be a Hall of Famer. Star. Got my good pile. Fine, good. Got a flashback picture. Decades past, 1970s Phillies. Decades past card, and that's a new one I've seen. These cards are kind of cool. They're more easy to retain, most cards. Add a card. I don't know. Gwen with Chicago. I don't know anything about this guy. If you do, let me know. I'm trying to get back in baseball. I go to a couple games. Mostly Giants or Red Sox. Rookie. Ben. I wish he was a rookie. He's with the Dodgers now. But he was an awesome player. He was fun to watch. With the Red Sox. Got good. We went like World Series with the Red Sox and the Dodgers. Not that far from each other. kind of cool picture. Kind of cool picture of this guy. The Red Sox, I guess. Look at this good one. Another good picture. So far, I think good. We'll see Martinez. DH first baseman. Cheddar? Derek Cheater? I like Derek Cheater. Kind of cool picture of Derek Cheater. That's good to have. So far, I haven't seen any. Like a rookie. Most time, try to find a rookie card. So this guy hasn't played so far. I know stats in the major league, minor league cards. Or I should look him up. Some of these players get mad because, you know, teams will do long contracts and do short contracts. Because they've been like a regular players, yeah, a long contract of 5 years. Maybe in 5 years, maybe a good two seasons. And they're paying this guy tons of money. And they're playing against it, they're still paying that player. That's kind of cool. Our Ty Butter, Angels, Billy Hamilton, the Giants. I don't know much about his career. The Giants. That was kind of cool. Oh, I love these old Back in Time. It's kind of cool. It's like an 84 tops, I guess. I don't know this player, but I guess he TR25, Milka Simmons. So happy as hell. So far, no Logan. It's like a rookie card. I know actually rookie cards. It's not a rookie. It's kind of a rookie card, but he's not a rookie. Those kind of pictures. So what do you think I'm doing? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. Please like it. If I'm bad, just like me, because you know what I mean. Let me know what I need to work on. I want to make you guys happy. That's my goal. Get better at doing this, because I ain't cheap doing this. Collecting baseball cards. How about I stand? And then the mystery pack. Last one. Woo! Wow. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful card. Congratulations, you have received a coveted top coin card. 22 to Upper Dead. Woo! Got a coin card. That made my day. So that's for this video. Let me know, like and subscribe, and how we do better. Get more of these kind of cards in the future. Let me know what you think, alright? Thank you very much for watching.